The Malaysian Education Blueprint for Higher Education, or PPPM-PT, plays a major role in improving the quality of graduates' products by public tertiary institutions. The PPPM-PT introduced 10 shifts which focus on producing holistic, enterprising and balanced graduates, talents, excellence, embracing lifelong learning, graduate of technical and vocational education training, TVET, financial sustainability, governance empowerment, provide ecosystem for innovation, global excellence, global online learning, and the transformation of higher education delivery. One of the TVET courses in Politeknik Malaysia is electrical wiring, DET 1022, that students learn in the first semester. Politeknik Kasih, Corporate and Social Stability for Electrical Wiring Community began in 2014. The volunteer polytechnic have contributed in helping to relieve some of the problems faced by less fortunate community and to avoid the occurrence or short circuit due to electricity wiring fault. For the year 2016, this program aimed to help upgrading the electrical wiring for 300 houses of Besut Parlimen, Terengganu. The objective of the CSR is to identify damaged electrical wiring in the houses, purpose and overhaul electrical wiring fault. Besides, it gives confidence and motivation to the electrical engineering students to get hands-on experience in the real-life situation involving wiring, as well as expose them to a wide range of generic skills, example, social activity. Politeknik Kuala Terengganu, as one of the polytechnic involved in the CSR program, Politeknik Kasih at Besut. There are 20 students involved in this CSR program. They are from Department of Electrical Engineering, or JKE, in the semester 4, 5 and 6. Also, 13 lecturers and staff are involved in this program. The involvement of polytechnic students in the CSR program is one of the manifestations of polytechnic willingness and devotion to serve the local community. Upon completing this program, students involved will have a new horizon in since their field of work and at the same time become more compassion towards needy people. The evaluation of this program divided into 3 phases. Our polytechnic needs to finish 100 houses by 2016 for repairing, dismantling, rewiring, and some of the house needs new wiring. For the first phase, we went to Fakra Kroak and Sungai Sayap, that involving 31 houses in February 2016. And the second phase, repairing, dismantling, and rewiring, has been done in 39 houses at Kampung Darau, Kampung Padang Balah, and Kampung Awet in April. Inshallah, the balance will be achieved in May 2016 at Kampung Depu. We will divide to 6 groups. One group comprised of 3 students and 2 staff or lecturers. The staff and lecturer are more to supervise and guide the student how to handle the job description. Based on the theory and workshop at Polytechnic, students can apply the knowledge into the real world. There are 3 steps to complete the task. First, installation the PVC pipe and pulling the cable based on circuit using 1.5 mm square or 2.5 mm square size cable. Second, fitting the socket outlet, lamp, distribution board, or we call it DB, fan, and switch. And lastly, we need to testing and commissioning. To complete the mission, the group was assigned a toolbox and stair. The group must make sure the tools in the toolbox not disappear, so it makes the student more responsible to ensure the tool safe. Besides that, the student also learn how to make a best decision to make the wiring simple, safe and safe course. The challenging part in this CSR is DB installation. Before students fitting the DB, they must know the function of DB components such as MCB, MCCB, ELCB, and main switch. Students also must know the load of the current. For example, MCB 6 ampere resist for lighting circuit, MCB 20 ampere for socket outlet circuit. This requirement based on Suruhan Jaya Tenaga Malaysia. The last part of wiring installation is testing and commissioning. And now, let's look at the response and appreciate from the Minister of Higher Education Malaysia.
I would like to thank Politeknik as a whole for doing this wiring to the houses of poor people throughout the country, which going to amount to around 300 to 400 houses this year. This is a good project as such that students can learn how their practical training, and at the same time it benefits the people, it benefits the poor people. This is a very good program, that's why we call it Politeknik Kasih, which is a loving polytechnic. Okay?
Thank you.
We are so proud and excited of Politeknik Kasih at Besut because our students can challenge the task and solve the wiring installation problem. While the program was running, our heart is very sad to see some houses that are too dangerous wiring system that are not in accordance with the actual standard. Non-standard wiring can cause us a short circuit and may lead to accident. The wiring perfection will be able to avoid unwanted things from happening. Alhamdulillah, thanks to God, our student was successful in completing the task very well and perfect. This work can help the local community, especially those who are in need and cannot afford to pay the cost of new wiring. We are so happy there are a few group of students interested towards entrepreneurship with interest to open electrical wiring company. So, the student will be referred to Unit Keusahawanan Politeknik for expanding their talent in entrepreneurship. As a conclusion, CSR wiring and maintenance has been able to add value to the human capital of our students, in addition to serving the community and establish good relationship with the community. Students can also practice the knowledge, learn and skill based on experience and can apply their knowledge and skill throughout their life. This CSR program provides the experience and skill that are useful to our students, and it should be continued and developed further. Lastly, we believe this program can achieve PPPMPT to produce good quality in TVET. Thank you.
Terima kasih kepada Politeknik kerana mari-mari wiring rumah saya ni. Terima kasihlah banyak.